Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we're going to cover how to adjust current rates by a percentage or a fixed amount. Once you've signed into ResNexus and navigated to your settings page, you're going to select the daily rates option. Once you're on that page, you'll select the yellow adjust button. You can create a new special rate or a new standard rate. You can name this if you want to, and then press next. You'll then go ahead and enter the date range that you want this to apply to. You can set it to repeat every year if you would like to. You'll also select days of the week and press next. You'll then indicate if this applies to all rooms or certain classes or just specific rooms. You'll indicate how many guests this new rate applies to. And on step 4, you'll see that you can enter a specific rate for weekday and weekend. You'll also see that you could indicate an amount. If you do this, you'll have the option to increase by an exact percent, decrease by an exact percent, increase rounding to the nearest dollar, decrease rounding to the nearest dollar, or a flat rate increase being a certain dollar amount on top of whatever that rate is, or a flat rate decrease, which would do the same thing but decreasing the rate by a certain amount instead of increasing it. So for this example, what we're going to do is select amount, and we're going to increase all of our rates by $100 and then press next. This will have you verify that your changes are exactly what you want it to do. And once you've reviewed it, you'll indicate that you have reviewed it and that you recognize that it cannot be undone. Then you'll press save. If one of your rooms or more have a rate that has not been set up yet, then changing it by a certain dollar amount or a percent will not work. You will simply get an error message letting you know that there were no existing rates to adjust. This will not happen if you are setting all of your rates to a set dollar amount. And that's how you adjust your current rates in ResNexus by a percentage or by a fixed amount. Thanks for learning more about ResNexus.